¿Qué pasó, amigos? Welcome back to John's Moto Garage. Which moto should we take out today? There she is, you guys, dusting off the old Steed. I haven't been on this old champ since I bought the new DRZ. If I can keep it running. Anyway, if I can keep it running, we're gonna go hit up some dirt. So I'm chilling at the house doing some yard work, and I get this little text. Bzz, bzz. It's been the trail local. Let me know that he's ripping it over at the trails, and he's hit me up multiple times, and I keep bailing on him. So I tell him I'm doing yard work, and I'll try to roll over afterwards, trying to do the adult thing, you know, the responsible thing. And then I check. He's like, dude, come rip. You can do the yard work later. And needless to say, the peer pressure prevailed, and here we are rolling out to the trails. Now, I haven't been there in a minute, so more than anything, I actually brought my wife's camera. I want to see if we can get some dope shots of Ben and his crew just tearing it up. They can give us a clinic on how you're actually supposed to ride trails. I may have missed them. Oh, there they are.
What's up, man? Kenny.
Anyway, so this is the Ben, the dude who basically introduced me to these trails, and he's got one of his buddies. I haven't been out here since my last video, so I'm gonna warm up and take it easy before I kill myself. I got a tendency for doing that. They've got like a whole track set up over here now. This thing looks straight deadly. There's no way. I think it would throw me right over the bars. That one's dope. one's the easiest one.
Is it? I'll show you.
Oh, fuck no!
Put the helmet on. Put the helmet on. Second walk. Big deal. No big.
All right, guys, I think that's a wrap, and hopefully we got some decent shots, some decent clips. There, guys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a pretty fun sesh with Ben and his crew. Killing it. As always, if you guys dig the content, smash the like button, subscribe. We'll hit you guys up on the next one. John's Moto Garage. Hasta luego.